Today we're going to film Rupert. Wait and see what happens when I leave the room. So what he does is he talks when you leave the room.
What are you doing? Come on then. Come on. Come on. Do you want to go?
So he won't talk when he's out the cage. He loves it out the cage, but he won't talk. Will you? You like a tickle? And he likes to go on your... Thank you. And he likes to go on your shoulder. Are you going? He likes to give kisses. Say kisses. Oh, we're talking now. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to go up here? Oh, my hair. Yeah, he wants to go up here. Now I can film you, yeah? So he's special. Aren't you, Rube? He doesn't like to talk when there's anybody in the room. But every time I start videoing or chatting in another room, in the seed room, I can hear him in the background talking away or whistling or... So I thought I'd take this opportunity to film him. He's perfectly tame with me. Perfectly. Not particularly friendly with males. Don't like men, do you, dog? What are you doing? He can fly, but chooses not to. His cage is pretty much his sanctuary, really.
Come on.
Come on. What are you doing? Are you dancing? Show us how you dance. He does this like head bobbing dance. Are you dancing? There's lots of parrots, I know, but he's a cool one. Despite what people think, if he was preferred to be out all the time, he would be out all the time, and we would adapt the surroundings. But he doesn't. He likes to go to sleep in his cage. He likes to be in his cage. It's kind of his time out time. He's not a wild parrot anymore. And if he was, he would be with all the other wild parrots. He's been hand-reared, not by me. And I rescued him many, many years ago. And when I rescued him, he'd been injured by another parrot and was severely plucked, had no feathers hardly. But now, he's a clever parrot. What you doing? What you doing? So guys, that's my parrot that you hear in all my videos, chatting away. He likes to be out and about, most days. But I've saved playtime today for filming. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Catch you all soon.